gate, or not gate, checkpoint 2E in the Austin airport is open now. Last time it was closed, so that's clutch. So my flight doesn't leave till 11:50, and it's like 10:15 right now, so I have a couple minutes left. But I don't know, one thing I was thinking of, like, as after I finished taking a picture with Arch Manning, was one, he's like 19, and I took a picture of the 19-year-old, so that's kind of weird, but whatever. And the other thing is, it's like, I don't know, if I were famous, I don't know if I'd like people coming up to me to take pictures. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's like a weird, I don't know, I get it, but also I get not wanting to take pictures with people, because people ask you for pictures all the time and stuff. Just an interesting, I don't know, not even take, but yeah, it's like, did I bug him, or was it not really a big deal? But not just him, like, just imagine all the other, like, sports people or whatever. Like, I'm sure they have fans all over the place, and it's, after a while, I feel like it just gets annoying. But whatever. I'm walking to my gate right now. But yeah, one thing I was like thinking about is why, or like how famous people take random people asking them for pictures. Like, is it an inconvenience for them? Are they cool with it? I don't know. And then on the flip side of the coin, it's like, well, if this random person like is like, maybe not fascinated, but like a big follower or whatever, should they be like afraid to ask like person, like a celebrity or whatever, for a picture? Or do they just kind of like just carry on with their day and just like, oh, you know, I saw X, Y, and Z in the airport. I don't know, I was just thinking about that, and how, like, I don't know, it's just interesting. But definitely, if it would get overwhelming at a certain point, like, I mean, I'm sure Caitlin Clark at some point is like tired of always taking pictures and shit with people. Like, she's like the most famous person on planet Earth right now. But yeah, I don't know, just that's what I was thinking about here at the airport while I was eating and whatnot. Oh, damn. Forgot Hobby has this dude playing violin or piano in the middle of the fucking airport. So I just got to Hobby in Houston. I have a layover for like 2 hours or so, but my flight got delayed, so I won't be able to get into New York till like 7:30, which means I won't get into Manhattan till like 8:30. But yeah, that flight. Also, I fell asleep, but while I fell asleep, with like 5 minutes before we landed, the like flight attendant woke me up and said I had to remove my fanny pack and put it in my backpack. I'm just like, I don't know, I get that that's a rule, but also, like, there's 5 minutes before we land. Like, can we not just let it slide and tell me on the way out or something? But like the fact that that's a rule is so dumb. Like it's on me. It's basically a part of me. Like the fact that it counts as an extra bag, like I have 3 bags, so to speak, is so dumb. So dumb. And they should probably change it because I mean everyone wears fanny packs. Like fanny packs are in. But yeah. And then the other thing that happened was, dude, I couldn't use my right armrest because the lady that sat there before me just used the entire thing, and I couldn't do anything. So I wanted to put my right arm down, but I just had it sitting there, not using the armrest. So maybe I should have tried a little harder to get, you know, at least some usage of the armrest, or just either bite the bullet like I did with no armrest. But yeah, you shouldn't hog the armrest. It's not cool. Okay, yeah, those are my 2 rants that I had. But now I'm looking for food at Hobby, so my options are very limited. There's Velvet Taco. I had it once, but it's kind of subpar. It's also super expensive, in my opinion. So the search continues for food.
He's talking about mine.
Bad weather in New York, so we had to stop here in Baltimore for like an hour, and now we're about to push back. Probably won't get to Manhattan until like 10:30. We'll see if Sean and all of them are still out and about, because Sean gets married tomorrow, and that's why I'm going to New York. Made it to Sean's apartment after a hectic day of travel, but I'm glad to finally make it. They're at the bars, so I'm dropping off my stuff. I'm gonna probably change my shirt and then make my way back out to the bars to meet them. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Tomorrow, Sean and Laura get married, so it's gonna be fun to go to celebrate their marriage. But yeah, that's it for today. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up.
No, you have to move it there. No, move the fucking bag. Oh my god, it's huge! Where'd it go? Yo, it's zooming!